Today we are diving into one of the hottest career fields, that is artificial intelligence. Guys, we all know AI is transforming the world around us. From smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized recommendation systems on Netflix and Spotify. But here's a big question, guys. How can you build a career in AI? What skills do you need? And of course, what's the salary like? We all think about it. So here in this video, I'll help you break down all these things. Now, before we dive into the AI careers, let's quickly understand that what is artificial intelligence. Guys, AI is actually the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. It enables computers to recognize patterns, solve problems, and even predict the future outcomes. AI is basically a broad field which includes machine learning, like machine learning, where the machine learns from data without being explicitly programmed. You can think of Spotify, which gives us suggestions of the songs that you might like. Then also comes deep learning, a more advanced version of machine learning that mimics the human brain using neural networks. This is what powers self driving cars and facial recognition systems. Okay. Now, before we move forward, if you're someone who loves to stay updated with the latest trends in data, wants to stay updated with jobs, what is going on in the world of data, wants to know about news, cheat sheets, podcasts, and masterclasses as well. In that case, WS CubeTech has recently launched their WhatsApp channel. The link to it is given in our description. You can join it and stay updated. Then comes natural language processing, also known as NLP. It helps AI understand human language that Google Translates, chatbots, and voice assistants work. So we can say that AI is everywhere and it's changing the world at lightning speed. For example, in healthcare, AI helps doctor diagnose diseases, analyze medical scans, and even predict patient risk. It's used in robotic surgery, drug discovery, and personalized treatments. In finance and stock marketing, AI detects frauds, predicts stock market trends, and even manage investments through robotic advisors. Chatbots like customer queries, making banking faster and efficient. In automotive, AI powers autonomous vehicles by analyzing real time data from cameras and sensors. It also improves traffic management and road safety as well. In e commerce, AI personalizes your shopping experience, predicts demands, and even helps automate warehouses with robots. In gaming, AI creates NPCs, which is non playable characters, and they also enhance graphics and even develops AI powered components that adapt to your playing style. AI is also used in agriculture. In agriculture, AI powers drones and sensors, help monitor crops, predict weather conditions, and even optimize farming. So basically, we can say that AI is everywhere. So now let's discuss what are the different career paths that are there in this booming field. First one is AI engineer. An AI engineer builds a smart AI driven applications, automation tools, and chatbots. They work with machine learning models and deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. So basically, the skills which are needed over here are Python, machine learning, cloud computing. And the salary could be between 6 to 12 LPA depending upon the experience and can go up to 50 LPA as well. Talking about the next career which is in boom, which is machine learning engineer. They design self-learning models and improve over the time. You can think of Netflix recommendation system or fraud detection systems as well. So here for a machine learning engineer, the skills which will be needed would be Python, could be R as well, machine learning algorithms, big data, and cloud platforms. And the salary could be between 7 to 11 LPA. It can go up to 60 LPA as well. Then there is data scientist. A data scientist basically analyze huge data sets to find trends and patterns and help businesses make decisions. The skills again needed are Python, SQL, statistics, data visualization, tools like Power BI, Tableau, and machine learning. Here, the salary could range from 6 to 10 LPA for a fresher and can go up to 50 LPA. Now, before we move forward to our next career, if you are someone who is looking to transition their career into data analytics, then WS CubeTech has recently launched their data analytics mentorship program, whose new cohort is going to start soon. If you want to be a part of this cohort, then the link to this program is given in our description. You can apply now from there. Then comes AI research scientist. If you love research and innovation, this is for you. AI researchers develop new algorithm and publish research papers in deep learning, also in NLP and robotics as well. So here the skills needed would be advanced mathematics, neural networks, research, and Python, of course. And salary could be between 10 to 15 LPA for a fresher, can go up to 80 LPA as well. Then comes another role over here, which is AI product manager. They bridge AI and business, overseeing the development of AI driven products. For them, the skills needed are AI concepts, business strategy, and project management. And salary could be 12 to 15 LPA, can go up to 70 LPA as well, which is huge, guys. Then comes the last one, which is cybersecurity analyst. They use AI to detect and prevent cyber attacks, a critical role in today's digital world, right? For someone who is looking a career, should know cybersecurity, AI for threat detection, Python, and cloud security. The salary could be 8 to 12 LPA and can go up to 50 LPA as well. So basically, if you want to get started in AI, a simple roadmap would be to learn Python and study machine learning and AI fundamental, get hands-on experience with AI projects, build a portfolio, and contribute to open source projects as well. And you can apply for internships and jobs as well. Each AI career has its own path, skill set, and even the salary range as well. To take a quick decision over here, I have a small guide. Like, if you like building AI systems, you can go for the role of a AI engineer. If you're someone who would like creating machine learning models, you can go for machine learning engineer. If you're someone who likes to analyze data and you want to get insights out of data, love to get insights out of data, you can go for towards the field of a data scientist. If you are into research and innovation, you can go for AI research scientist. And if you are into business and AI strategy, you can go for AI product manager. Lastly, if you are someone who is into cybersecurity and AI security, then you can go for a cybersecurity analyst. So, by gaining the right skills, experience, and certification, you can actually secure a high paying job in AI. I hope this video was helpful in understanding what is AI and what are the different careers that you can make in the field of AI. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. And for more such videos, stay tuned, guys.